Okay, and now I really need to heat up, and I use this sievert power gas where is 1900 Celsius this heat, and there is the switch that I open that and then trigger. And now I heat really this bolt area. Okay, and let's test that what happens. Can I open that? And if this is still stuck, then I need to heat up this couple of minutes. Let's look what happens. And this looks again still this is stuck. Okay, I need to heat up this bolt more. And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how I can open these stuck bolts and if they are really tight. There is a situation that we have to heat up this bolt because then this bolt becomes bigger, and let's look at how I do that, and then we can open that bolt. And now I add in here engine oil. This is standard Mobil 1 oil, and let's look at how this opens. And this was really, now it opens, but hard bolt, very tight bolt to open. Okay, good. Now it opens nicely. Okay, and then I use my electric impact driver also. Okay, now this my bolt opens, and first big bolt is free, and then there was second bolt was smaller one, 12 millimeters, and we can use that in easy way with this my impact driver, 12 millimeters, and this was easy. And then we have final bolt in this down area, this back area, and it seems to be also tight.